came into my mother's life at the right time. More than a stepfather, more of like a lifeline. She ain't really had happiness since my pop died. She was living, but living is always not alive. And my mama should be treated like a queen. You gave her everything she ever needed like a queen. Probably the most gentle G I ever seen. The love y'all shared, I never seen in human beings. Y'all were together 12 years, never no fights. Not even a little argument, that was so nice. 3 of us eating dinner together most nights. Working 7 days a week, that ain't no life. But never once did I hear you complain. Even when they let you go, never hear you with blame. It take a real man to walk through the rain. He was a real man who got sick and fought through the pain.
I am made of all 4 corners, all directions without the borders. I am strung so loose together, and you're a thread that holds forever. I'm not nobody's baby. You had your shit too, but you always came through for me.
I walked in that morning and knew something was wrong. I tried to talk to you, Rock, you didn't respond. I called 911 and then ran for my mom's. Waited for the ambulance and I tried to be calm. Moms went with you, I stayed and held down the fort. I was nervous, I was crying and really distraught. I was alone by myself, just left with my thoughts. Mommy called, told me that you had a stroke and fought. I ain't seen a hospital since my father died. I don't like it there, memories is locked inside. When I walked inside the room, we started to cry. I was just so happy that you was alive. And you told me how much that you hate the hospital, and that they thieves and trying to keep their pockets full. I think I was a little bit responsible. When you were smoking all the time, I wasn't stopping you. Nevertheless,